Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade, or if you're here for the first time, hi and welcome to Circle Time. Now we begin our Circle Time by singing our good morning song. So let's sing the good morning song together. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, let's start by saying the days of the week and the months of the year. Well, today is Friday, everyone, because Friday comes after Thursday, which was yesterday. So, today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. All day long, all day long. Yes, it's Friday, friends, and it's a wonderful Friday. Now, let's say the days of the week, friends. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, let's say the months of the year. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, those are the months of the year. And we are in the month of May. We are in the month of May. So, let's talk about the weather. But before we talk about the weather, friends, let's sing our weather song. Ready? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Well, now we can take a look out those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, it's a rainy day today, and that's okay because we have our stories to have with us while we are inside. Now, let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day today is the color gray. You get gray by mixing white and black together, and you get gray. Can you think of something that might be gray? Clouds in the sky might be gray, especially on a rainy day. Yes, there are lots of gray things, right? Now let's find out about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a cube. Yes, take a look at that cube. A cube is our shape of the day. Now, let's talk about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is the letter. Our letter of the day is the letter S. Here are some words that start with the letter S. There's snake and sniff. There's sit, S. Now, our letter of the day brings us to our area of the day, friends. Our area of the day today comes from Trinidad. Our area of the day is Siparia. Siparia is in South Trinidad and it's one of those popular areas. Take a look at all the wonderful things and landmarks in Siparia. Now friends, let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Well, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good, everyone. Now it's time for our number of the day. And can you guess what number of the day we are on today? It's the number of fingers you have on one hand. Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, our number of the day is the number 5. What can we do to count to 5? Well, maybe we could do a silly dance while we count to 5. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, everyone. We counted to 5 and we did really good dancing. Well, now my friends, it's time for our lesson for today. Alright, my friends, it's activity time, and today you know it's Cooking Friday. So we are going to get cooking by making our delicious Sawine. Now, Sawine, as we remember we talked about yesterday, is a traditional dish that you would normally see around Eid. Alright, so since we celebrated Eid yesterday, we are going to be making Sawine for our Cooking Friday. Alright, so in case you didn't get a chance to make Sawine, we're going to make it today. Now, what you would need, of course, is some vermicelli. We're going to use some milk, spices, raisins, and whatever yummy things you want to put in your Sawine. So take a look at all the steps that you need to take. So to make your Sawine, you're going to get your vermicelli and put it in your pot. Then you're going to put your spices in and put it on the stove. Now this part, you will let your mommy or your daddy help you with this part, okay? And then you're going to stir it on the stove until the vermicelli is all cooked. And you can add your milk and other things like your raisins, and at the end you're gonna add your condensed milk and let it boil down to your desired thickness of your Sawine. Alright, and enjoy. That's it for this week, my friends, and I hope to see you next week where we'll have lots more adventurous activities and fun things to do. So I'll see you next time, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.